Nandito tayo sa Home Depot. Ito, my dad. We're looking for a curtain rod na hindi curtain rod.
6 feet? 6 feet?
Ayan. Mahulog yung cellphone ko. Oh my god.
Hawa ka mo nga. Kung eksaktong makakulang. Dapat yung medyo 6 feet. Gusto lang ito. Eksakto. Ito na lang nandito.
Eksakto na
6 feet.
6 feet.
72. Diba yung bintana, luwag ng bintana,
itong
70.
kapal niya, kasya dun sa
oo, tama ito, 3 foot. Malaki na yung 1 inch. Yung 3 foot.
We're also gonna look for a tile for, no, backsplash, I mean, for the kitchen. Titingin kami ng backsplash. Ito, 1587 each. Hindi ko akalain na mahal pala per ito. Maganda siya sa, ay, okay. Ang bigat pala nito. Ayan. Maganda siya sa kusina. Sa kusina. Pero, sabi ko sa dad ko, parang gusto ko rin to. Kasi nga dark na yung aming cabinet. The cabinet is dark. Kaya ito, maganda rin siya. Like marble lang. And then ito. Marami rin magaganda. Per case naman to. Wait, balik natin. Ito yung tinitingnan ng dad ko. Marami rin magaganda. Marami rin mamahal. Ayan. This one too, mahal 24 per each. Anyway, ito pala yung pinagpilian namin na drapery rod. Naka-sale to ng $17. Ito ko muna ilagay.
Maganda.
May pang kitchen?
Oo.
Oh, tara.
Yung seal.
Sale pa. Ayan, maganda rin itong mga to. Oh, ayan. Oh, diba? The last time I was here, like buying stuff, nung nag-renovate kami ng basement. Oh, see? Mura siya. $338 per square foot. Diba?
Magandahan ako dito.
Oh, ito. Maganda rin to. Oh, yan. Maganda.
Oo.
$888 each.
Oo. $888 each.
Parehas lang ba yan? No, parehas din lang yan. Oh, may pagka-silver siya na Pero maganda siya, oh.
Ayaw mo yung dark red, ito.
Oo nga, ayaw ko nga ng dark kasi nga dark na yung
Kasi maganda yung shiny kasi madaling linisin. Punasan mo lang yan, walang didikit.
Kasi nga ang hirap linisin na yung Tignan mo to, maganda rin yung nasa picture. Ito yun.
Pero, ito ata, ganyan. Ayan, dito ito.
Oo, tapos yan, ayan ang ayaw ko. Dark yan
dark,
eh. Ayun
ito,
yun.
ito. 888. Okay, halimbawa ito.
Oh, pero maganda to. Ito. Meron ba yan?
Ito?
Oo.
Oo, mayroon.
Iba yan ay. Iba yan nandyan sa
Maganda. Oh, ito.
Yeah, maganda rin yan. I like
pero
that one.
saan?
Oh, yun ang tanong nasaan. Baka nasa kabila. Tingnan ko sa kabila. Dito ko muna ilagay ito. Oh, iba rin yung nandun. Baka sold out na yun, di. See, gusto ko din to. Ito de, maganda rin siya. Maliliit. Oh, mas maganda na lang yan, no?
Ito, maganda ito.
Picturean ko nga at
magagandahan ako dito eh.
Ano ko, send ko kay JP. Yeah, parang elegant ang dating.
Tapos shiny. Kasi pag shiny, madaling punasan mo, maalis ang splash. Na-splash.
Meron din yung may pagka-dark doon. Ang daming pagpipilian. It's like peel and stick. So you just like, ayan siya. Maganda rin. So ito siya, peel and stick. So guntingin mo na lang siya. See? You just have to like gunting. Hindi mo na ika-cut-cut pa. And hindi ka na mag-grout. Ayan, stick mo na lang siya dyan. Pero ilan naman ang magagastos mo kasi it's like that one is $59.98 each siya. Wow. Hi guys, so I'm here right now picking up my son to school. I haven't been picking him up for like a month now since my dad got back here. Because, well, he likes doing that, and also it helps me out so much. When I'm working, I don't have to like come and pick him up because my dad knows how hard it is to work at like night shift because yeah, I need my sleep. Bought Lotto Max ticket, like Lotto. It's gonna be tonight, Friday, May 17. I don't know if you guys are superstitious. I'm not really, but wala namang mawawala, right? So you guys know the Lucky Cat, like the one that you that you see in like Chinese restaurant that goes like this, like waving, like the Lucky Cat. I told my dad, and he was like laughing, like, "Oh yeah, I have to get Lovey to kiss my ticket, this ticket." So I'll let Lovey kiss them, sniff, 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 having like good luck with this ticket. So hopefully when I get off work in the morning tomorrow, because I work tonight, I'll be a millionaire. I'll be a millionaire tonight, you guys, hopefully. So cross fingers. If it's not millionaire, I don't mind getting like at least, you know, something. I rarely buy like a lotto tickets. Well, once in a while my coworker and I was like, "Oh, you want to like maybe pitch in for a ticket?" And I would say yeah. And okay, so we went to Home Depot to buy the curtain rod for downstairs because Lovey actually pulled a curtain rod and it just fell apart. And so yeah, we need a new one. And then we're looking for a kind of like backsplash like tiles for the kitchen. That's the project for this year. Last year they did the like the tiling both bathroom upstairs and downstairs. They just did like an accent on the side. It's not all tiles in the bathroom, but it works out like it looks nice. It works out really good. So yeah, they did that in the like last minute. So my dad, it's like, this is a school zone, dude. It's just driving like really fast. So anyways, so this time my dad was like, "Oh, I want to do it early, then later before I go," well, he goes back to the Philippines. We're looking and I think we found one, but I told my dad like, hold it off. So I'm gonna show JP, my husband, first before we jump into like getting the whole thing. They're gonna do it like 1 weekend. Maybe they're gonna do it after my husband's birthday, because my husband's birthday is on the 5th. That's the thing today. Of all the stuff that I bought for you, you like to play in the box.
She doesn't just play there. She.
Well, yeah, but I don't know what you're looking for. I know you have lots of toys inside the box.
Oh, go and put something in there.
Did you? I think you put treats in there, see?
No, it's digging, you know. It's digging, it's digging.
He's busy. He's having something in there. Oh. Hi guys. Nasa basement ako. Of course, nandito ako sa aking cave. I'm like in the cave. I like it dark and whatnot. And it can be difficult to undo. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy right now. Just rewatching some episodes that I like. Okay. So, usapang vlog tayo ngayon. Somebody commented on my previous vlog na it's not enjoyable for me to do Tagalog and English vlogs because I don't know, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. In my case though, I don't know, like vlogging right now is just a hobby that I enjoy doing. So it's important for me na ma-enjoy ko yung ginagawa ko. It's not like, oh, I'm doing this for money. Of course, money is just the bonus of vlogging at the moment. And I appreciate the subscribers who subscribes to me, of course. But I am not like begging for you guys to watch my videos. I am very thankful to those who truly watch my videos though. So, ayun. If you watch, you watch. If you subscribe, subscribe. Because if you subscribe to my channel, it means that you really like what you are watching. And if it annoys you to watch me, then just don't. Like, oh, wag na lang. Like, it's okay. It's okay. Like, just move along. Ganon. Ganon. So, I'm also entitled to say this because this is my channel. So, and I know you guys are entitled as well to say something because you guys are watching the video, but you don't have to. So it's your choice, you know, it's your choice if you watch it or not. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. It's very simple. And this is what I want to do with my channel is gusto ko mag-Taglish. English, Tagalog, more on Tagalog sana, but I am kind of transitioning slowly. Because it's not like I did it on a whim. I thought about it long and hard talaga. If I want to do Tagalog. That's all I've been watching lately is, you know, Tagalog vlogs, like Filipino vloggers. And I enjoy it so much. And like I've said on my previous vlog, and I want to do it too, that, yeah, this is what I want to do. I don't think I want to explain myself more. To be honest with you guys, I lost 35 people in my channel, subscribers. I lost 35 subscribers since my explanation, since I told you guys what my plans are for this channel. And it's okay. Like, I'm not gonna say I don't care. I care, but not. So yeah, so it is what it is, right? We're taking out the cat. She's kind of scared because it's windy. It's windy. She's scared with the wind and all this leaves. Are you okay, Bobby? Bobby, come on. I'm like gripped, like gripping. I don't want her to. It's okay. Okay, we're walking. That's fine. That's good. Yeah, that's good, baby. I'll give you a treat later when we go home. Inside the house, I mean. Inside the house. Look, I'm still wearing my house slipper. But it is windy. Come on. There's a bunny at the back. But hopefully she won't see the bunny over there because she's gonna go and freaking get the bunny.